Welcome to Jupiter Dermatology and Hair Restoration. I'm Dr. Mejia, and today we're talking a little bit about hair transplantation. So let me just put my mask on here. Basically, what is hair transplantation? Hair transplantation is a procedure where we take hair from the back of the head, either through a technique called follicular unit excision, where we excise the individual hair follicles one at a time in little dot-like fashions without leaving a linear line in the back. Or we can do what's called a strip, where we remove a strip and surgically stitch it up so that it heals beautifully in the back of the scalp. Now, the other technique is good, and as you can see here in this patient is a follow-up after 7 months result, and we're going to show you kind of what can happen in just as little as 7 months with hair restoration. And the bottom line is this. If you take a look here, come around the back side, please. This was him 7 months. Put your head back for me. This was him 7 months ago. As you can see here, a lot of thinning, a lot of bald spots. And here, after 7 months, a lot of the grass have grown in and makes a huge difference. And he's still got more growth to come. Usually hair transplants will grow over a year to a year and a half. So there's still hairs that are still coming out. But this is just only at 7 months. This is another view from the side here. You can see here. This is his right side. If you look like that, you can see kind of how he's got really no hair there. And here, after 7 months, it's all filled in. Okay, so let's go to the front there. And I'll show you, if you take a look back here, this is kind of what's involved. So what we do is we can take out individual little hair follicles one at a time from back here. That's called the follicular unit excision technique. Or we take a strip, and then we hide it with a little line back here, but you can hardly even see the line that's kind of hidden there. So if you even look real closely, you can hardly tell. And most people are concerned about hair transplantation because they think there's going to be a scar, something hideous, and in reality, if it's done right, you're not going to see anything. There will be a line scar back there, but it's going to be hidden by your hair, and it's going to be thin. And in this case, his wife can't even find the line. So it's always a good thing when that happens. Now, as you can see here in the front, the hairline looks very natural, okay? It looks good. Still got more hairs to grow in there and here. And if you look from the frontal view, like there, yeah, you can see the big difference that it makes when you kind of compare the two, okay? So hair restoration is a technique that can be done in men and in women to take hair from the back of the scalp and move it to the front. We can also do it for eyebrows and eyelashes. We do women's eyebrows as well. We can do men's beards as well. And in rare cases, we've done body hair transplantation where people wanted it on their chest. So this is what the procedure is about. It's basically a full day procedure, and the results are very nice when done correctly. So, if you have any questions about hair restoration for men and women, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.